we found this wonderful place called Calderon in Manila. And on this maps, I'm showing you exactly where it is before I start showing you the restaurant and the foods and the price menu. Just so if you're around that area, you can go visit. I highly recommend it. And let's get into the video and see why I recommend this place. Thanks. So guys, we found this little hole in the wall Spanish place. And it's got tapas, it's got paella. We came here yesterday and we just fell in love with the place. It's very small and I'll show you around in a few. It's not much to really show, but very typical Spanish style with tiles, the colors, the wine and everything. So it's really nice place, like a little bar, tapas bar. And it was pretty packed yesterday. We were here a bit later than we are today. It's almost 6:30. So we've ordered gambas, shrimp gambas, and then after that we're having paella. And yeah, we're looking forward to it. Yesterday we had, what's it called? Sopa de gallega, which is like a bean soup with a bit of meat. It was delicious.
Astoria.
And what is it?
Astoria.
Astoria, which is also another type of bean dish, which was really good too. And
It was perfect.
it was really good. It was really good. So that's why we decided to come back today, and probably tomorrow too. We'll probably here be a lot till we get our visa. So we're enjoying this, truly enjoying this. So I'll film the food when it comes out so you can see what it is, and I'll tell you at the end how much it costs. It all costs. So guys, this is the paella, and we ordered gambas also, and now we're gonna try it and see if it's any good or not. Well, Mia will take the paella first. Taste the paella, darling. Tell me what you think.
This is good.
It's good. What about the gambas?
We had gambas.
Taste it. It's good. So what do you rate it out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Huh?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Wow.
That's a very good. Okay, anyways.
Quick reminder that it takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. If you would, please subscribe, like, and share if you have not. Thank you. So Mia, we're at the Spanish restaurant.
Yeah.
The name of it is Calderon in Makati, Manila. You've been to Spain a few months ago, and you were in Sevilla, you were in Torrevieja, Madrid, and you had some Spanish food there, obviously.
Yeah.
How would you say this compares to what you tasted in Sevilla? Would you say it's similar, better, or nothing close, or like, what's your feeling about it? Do you feel like this is authentic Spanish, in other words?
Well, Sevilla is a different talk in a way. I mean, we're in Spain, right? So it's authentic that the people there,
Yeah,
they're Spanish. They
the
know,
environment
yes,
and the
everything.
milieu and all that, yeah.
But this food right here is actually pretty close
Yeah.
to what we've tasted in Sevilla.
That's how I feel too. It's very, very close. I would say if I was in Spain and I had this,
Yeah.
I would think it's fantastic.
Yeah, because we've tasted other Spanish food, right? But
Yeah,
this one, I really loved it.
yeah, I loved it here too. And the prices are not bad.
No.
The prices, we had a paella for 2 and gambas, which is a shrimp in like an olive oil with garlic.
Yeah.
And it was really good. It was
It
much. I mean, we've had gambas at in Dumaguete at San Joval, which
And
cannot
this
compare.
other
Cannot
Spanish
compare.
restaurant they
Yeah.
call in Duma.
So this was really great, fantastic. And all in all, it came to 1,700 and something pesos. Which is-
1800.
Huh?
1800.
1,800, which is roughly $30, 32 US dollars for the food we had. I think that's in Makati, Manila. Remember, this is Manila, the main town,
Yeah.
compared to what we had this morning for breakfast.
Ugh.
Oh, yeah, that was bad.
Never
And
again.
that one we paid what 1200 pesos for. So
Yes.
yeah, this was just really worth the money. We actually decided to come here tomorrow morning for a coffee and see if they have any breakfast stuff. But for sure,
Yeah.
we love the milieu here. It's fantastic.
And it's also like a 5-10 minutes walk
Yeah,
from our place.
it's
So
actually 15-20 minutes walk.
15-20.
Yeah, but that's okay.
Oh yeah, because I.
Yeah, yeah. but but that's okay. It's very good. It really is, and I'm excited to come here tomorrow and have the coffee and see how the coffee is in the morning. Because the last place we went to, not going back there again. Anyway, I just wanted to cover this restaurant. I usually don't do restaurants reviews, especially a place where I don't live, like in Makati. But if you guys are in Makati, I'm gonna put a like on a maps
map.
location where it is, because this place really impressed me. And if you like to taste different types of food from different places in the world, I would say, you know, this place would be fantastic to come out and try. I'm not getting paid in any way or anything like that, so it's just my opinion and me as opinion. But this is fantastic, really good. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.